Restoration journey. The restoration of this remarkable Samba Microbus is a testament to the dedication and attention to detail put into bringing it back to its former glory. It underwent a comprehensive refurbishment that revitalized both its mechanical components and its aesthetics. The vehicle underwent disassembly, allowing for meticulous metalwork and body repairs. The restoration extended to entire drivetrain and interior as well. Notable features of this restored Samba Microbus include a tan fabric sunroof, chrome hubcaps adorning white finished steel wheels that harken back to its vintage charm. From basket case to showpiece, this meticulous restoration of this 1959 23-window Type 2 Samba Volkswagen bus with unique features and impeccable craftsmanship is a testament to the enduring legacy of Volkswagen's iconic Type 2 buses. Passenger capacity. The Samba bus stands out not only for its exceptional passenger capacity but also for its compact size. In today's automotive landscape, finding a vehicle that can comfortably seat 9 passengers is a rarity, typically limited to full-size passenger vans. However, the Samba defies expectations by offering such a spacious interior within its relatively small frame. Its wheelbase, compared to modern vans, may seem modest, yet the clever layout and efficient use of space allow room for 3 rows of seating to accommodate 9 adults. Practicality of driving a Samba today. While driving a Samba bus today may require some adjustments, it offers a unique and rewarding experience. The lack of power steering and modern amenities like air conditioning may pose challenges, but the simplicity of the mechanics allow for smoother maneuverability, providing a level of control and responsiveness not commonly found in a 63-year-old classic. This characteristic, along with the nostalgic driving feel, adds to the charm of piloting a Samba bus and contributes to the overall enjoyable driving experience that enthusiasts appreciate even on the road today. What's with all the windows? The VW Samba bus is renowned for its abundant windows, boasting a remarkable total of 23. Every passenger had a view. The 23-window configuration is highly sought after due to its limited production numbers, making it a prized feature for vintage car enthusiasts. The unique combination of skylight windows, safari windows, and the signature split windshield adds to the Samba's charm and elevates its collectability, making them even more coveted among those who appreciate the beauty and uniqueness of this iconic Volkswagen model.